Hello guys, my name is Vinci and you are welcome to the Vinci Clothing's channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 things that I wish I knew when I started my fashion business. If you've not subscribed to my channel and this is your first time visiting this channel, please just hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that whenever I drop a video, you'll be notified and you go right ahead to watch it. Alright, so let us get into it. Alright, the number one thing is integrity. If you're a tailor, I'm pretty sure you know what I'm talking about. You must have disappointed one or two customers. That is a very, very wrong thing to do as a fashion designer. I mean, it is going to cripple your business without you knowing. One of the things about disappointing customers is that it makes you not comfortable to even work in the first place. You've not sewn this person's clothes. You are scared whether the person might come and meet you in your shop, and you are not settling down to sew for people. That is one. The second thing it does is it kind of shorts more customers to come your way. It kind of shorts more clients to come your way. You understand? Fashion business is a kind of business that your customers does the advertising for you. Your customers are your marketers. You understand? If you treat customer A very well, customer A is going to bring customer B, C, D, E. If you treat B well, he's going to bring 5 more people. If you treat C well, he's going to bring 5 more people. Before you know it, you have a blooming business. But if you are disappointing people left, right, and center, just be rest assured that you are going to be begging for work, literally. That is one of the things I wish I knew when I started. I empathize with my fellow fashion designers or tailors that there are times where, because of situations, you might disappoint people. The good thing is, if you tell someone to come on a Friday, and by Wednesday or by Monday, you should know if you are going to meet up by Friday. Call your customers, communicate with them. That is what communication is all about. Communicate with your customers. Look, I might not be able to meet up. Is there a way? Can you give me an extension? If the person said he can't give you an extension, maybe he wants to use it for a wedding, do all you can to make sure you deliver the clothes. There is always a way out. If you communicate with your customer and he says, no, I can't give you an extension because I need to use it the next day, do all you can. If you need to spend your last cash to get fuel and finish that job. Your integrity is at stake. So in summary, whatever you are going to do to make sure you don't disappoint your customers, you should do it by all means and stop disappointing your customers. The second thing I wish I knew when I started is I can't do everything by myself. If you know me very well, you know that I can do a lot of things. I mean, I shoot my videos, I do my graphic design, I do a lot of things. I design on my clothes myself, I do a lot of things. But the honest truth is, you can't do everything by yourself. And I understand that as an upcoming fashion designer, you have to wear many hats. Not just a fashion designer, as a businessman, as an entrepreneur, you have to wear so many hats. You have to be the CEO, you have to be the manager, you have to do this, you have to do that. I mean, you have to do a lot of things. But at the end of the day, you can't do everything by yourself. I mean, I learned this the hard way. You should employ people. Most importantly, you should employ tailors. There are a lot of tailors that are looking for jobs. Employ people, let them handle your jobs, and then pay them. That is going to help you solve the number one issue, which is disappointing your customers. If you know you're having jobs that are way beyond your capacity, that means you are growing and you need to expand your team. Most fashion designers might be greedy or are greedy because they want to earn all the money themselves. It doesn't work that way. You can never run a business alone. That is just a fact. You can never run a business alone, except if you don't have the plan of becoming big, of expanding. As a matter of fact, one of my dreams as a fashion designer is to get to a point where I can employ hundreds and thousands of people. When I can have hundreds and thousands of people working for me and I'm paying them efficiently and everything is going smooth. Honestly, that's one of my dreams as a fashion designer at the moment. Build a team. That's what I'm saying in essence. Build a team. So that is it. So the third thing is time management. As a fashion designer, you should learn how to manage your time. So when I wake up in the morning, the first thing I do is I speak with my manager. Most mornings, I speak with my manager and be like, what do we have to do today? And he tells me all the things we need to do today. And as a tailor, I know which of my workers is good with which part of tailoring. I know that this guy is good with trousers. I know that this guy is good with suit. I know that this guy is good with shirts. So in the morning, all I do is I just sit down before leaving the house and I calculate, okay, when I go to the office, I'm going to assign this task to this guy, this task to this guy. I just manage my time in my head. At times I put it into writing. And by the time I go to the shop, everything is just clockwork. I just tell him, okay, you do this, you do that, you do that. And I manage my time perfectly well. I don't leave everything to chance. I don't just go to the office just randomly and whatever I see is what I handle. No. Before leaving the house, I already know, okay, when I go to the office, this is what I'm going to handle. That is what I'm going to handle. So when I go to the office, I just start assigning task, and I manage my time very well. Because if you don't manage your time, if you don't say, okay, when I go to the office, I'm going to do this, at the end of the day, you are just busy, and at the end of the day, you can't really say, okay, what did I do? Before you check your time, it's already 5 p.m. And you can't really say, okay, I achieved this, I achieved that. No. If you stay at home before leaving your house, schedule, or should I say, yeah, schedule, put, say from this time to this time, you should be able to handle this. From this time to this time, you should be able to handle this. From this time to this time, you should be able to handle this. This should be handled by this one. That should be handled by this guy. You understand? That way, you will see that before 2 p.m., you would have handled a lot of things, and you have other times to interact with your workers and just gist and laugh. You understand? So that is the third thing: time management and assigning of tasks. So the fourth thing I wish I knew is investment, investing back in your business. If you have to be successful, you should learn to invest back into your business. You should learn to invest back into your business. If you make ₦1,000,000, you should make sure that at least 500,000, half of the money should go back into the business. That way you are going to grow. I said at least, it might be more. I said at least, make sure that you buy machines, make sure you buy machines, make sure you buy tools, make sure you buy courses. It is very, very important. Don't be a big fish in a small boat. Expand, learn new things, learn the way new ways of doing things. Don't just be in Lagos, in Abuja, in Ogun State, in Kaduna, and think that's all there is to fashion. No, meet other people outside, learn things, pay for courses, improve on your skill, invest in your business. That is the only way you are going to grow. If you don't invest in your business, you'll just be living well, but your business is dying until you get to a point where your business is dying and you'll not be living well as well. But if you invest in your business, as your business is improving, your livelihood, your the way you live, your quality of living is also improving. So invest back into your business. Don't just eat whatever. Just don't just spend all the money you are making. Invest back into your business. And at this point, if you've not subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Let us go to the last point, which is the fifth point. I wish I took social media seriously. When I remember when I was in the university, I had a friend who has been bugging me to start a YouTube channel. His name is Emmanuel. I'm pretty sure he might see this video. Emmanuel Johanna. He disturbed me to start a YouTube channel as way back as 2013, 2012. He disturbed me to start a YouTube channel. And I didn't take him serious. I thought YouTube was one stressful thing to do. Of course, it's a stressful thing to do, I have to be honest with you. But the advantages that comes with YouTube outweighs the disadvantage, outweighs the stress. That's just true. And some of the stress of let me take YouTube channel as a case study, right? Let me take YouTube as a case study. When I opened the YouTube channel, I became a global brand. Do you understand? I started meeting people outside Nigeria. I started meeting people outside my state, Kaduna State. I started meeting people outside Nigeria. I started meeting people outside Africa. Having a YouTube channel is going to be like you have a branch of your business in every country. If you are watching this video and you don't have a YouTube channel, I honestly think you are doing yourself a great disservice. You need to have a YouTube channel. It is going to improve your business. It is going to bring new customers to you. It's going to be as if you have a branch of your clothing line in different states, in different countries, in different continents. That's one thing I wish I knew a long time ago. That is all about it. If you've watched up to this point, thumbs up. So you can add to this list. I mentioned just 5 things, but you can add to this list. I'm pretty sure there are a lot of things that when I sit down, I can think of right now, but I just mentioned 5. So if you have more than 5, if you have 10, you can mention them in the comment section. Like I said, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.